B, it's here, the day we officially become a family. Though it has felt that way since the beginning. My heart has found its home with you. You are my safe space. You have accepted me for every bit of who I am. And more than that, you love me for it.
Lindsay is the most caring person I have ever met. We get each other so well. She is super smart. She's so driven. I have never been more proud of knowing someone, let alone calling someone my partner.
Brian is the biggest softie, but he's like a secret softie. He is so kind. He loves everybody. He calls my parents to check in on them. That's the kind of man that he is. He's been there for me through some of our hardest times and my individually hardest times. He's everything.
Lindsay, you have been so much more to me than a girlfriend, so much more than a fiance, and will be so much more than a wife. You are the person that I have been searching for the better part of 35 years, and the woman I will love for the better part of forever.
If you know Lindsay, you know that she likes to have everything in order, everything planned out. Brian, you are the what if that Lindsay never planned on. And when I was stalking you on Facebook, immediately after Lindsay told me that you had gone on a date, I discovered that you like James Baldwin, who so perfectly said that love does not begin the way we seem to think it does. Love is a growing up.
That's so beautiful.
Thank you. Love you.
I love you too.
Brian, sorry for keeping you waiting today. It'll be worth it, I promise. I can't wait to do this with you. I can't wait to do the rest of our lives together. You better outlive me.
Oh my God. Give me a little twirl.
You want a twirl?
I want a twirl. Do a little spin. Ooh. Oh my God. You're beautiful. Thank you so much.
You ready for this?
I'm so excited. Linz, we have gone from sharing some texts, to sharing some friends, to sharing a home, to sharing a last name, to finally sharing a family. Look at us now, kid. I love you so much. I have never met anything more in my life. Love always, Brian.
I spent my life looking for my person, waiting for the pieces to come together, thinking it would look and feel a certain way. But what a wonderful surprise you were. From this day on, I promise to give you grace in the hard moments and to choose you over and over. I will love you forever.
So it is truly my privilege to pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss for the first time as husband and wife.
I'm so happy you guys met each other. You guys are perfect for each other. You know, I knew you were a keeper as soon as I met you. I love you guys.
Love you.
We've all watched you grow and have seen you grow into even better people simply because you love one another. To all of the what ifs in life, face them together today and always in love. To Lindsay and Brian.
The commitment that you made to one another today is the most important commitment that you'll ever make. I pray the bond between the two of you is never broken. May God bless you, and may love and laughter fill your hearts and your home for all the days of your lives. I love you, and congratulations.